Hello, everyone, and welcome to uh, my weather channel. I am Sam, or Sam I am. Very bad joke. All right, so I'm gonna do something little bit different tonight. I'm gonna use the National Weather Service uh, radar and alerts map, and this is uh, a little bit easier to use for me than Windy is. So I'm going to uh, start with precipitation. Of course, I've got it on the radar, and it looks like most of the Northeast is pretty dry. Do have some scattered rain showers up here in Maine, and highly uh, and maybe you should reread the book because the guy ends up eating the green eggs and ham in the end. So back to the weather. Got some scattered rain showers here in Maine, Augusta, and here in central Vermont, a couple of rain showers. And it looks like got some light rain in western New York, very light. Can barely even see it on the radar there. And it looks like we have some rain showers just north of Philadelphia into New Jersey. This one's just southwest of Edison, New Jersey. And light scattered showers in southern New Jersey. Nothing much going on. Washington, D.C., Baltimore area. Zoom in on Delaware a little bit. Nothing much going on there. Virginia looks pretty dry. Not much going on in North Carolina right now. Or South Carolina, Georgia. Alabama's pretty dry. Looks like Florida, we do have some rain here. And possible, yeah, this looks like a thunderstorm here. It's near Homosassa Springs. I'm probably horribly messed that pronunciation up, but also have, looks like it's near Ocala too. Had a little rain shower just north of Orlando. Titusville, little rain shower. Holmes Beach and Bethany, Florida, got a couple of little rain showers. Cape Coral looks pretty dry. Everglades looks dry. A little rain shower there. Mississippi, got some rain showers for Jackson there. And looks like a lot of this rain is over Carson, between west of Hattiesburg and Macomb and Brookhaven here. And as we get over here into Louisiana, right on this, right on the Mississippi River here, we've got a rain shower over Vidalia. Southern Louisiana's got some light rain showers too. Tennessee's pretty dry. I'm gonna head back north here to the Midwest. Kentucky's pretty dry. West Virginia, not too much. No precipitation of note in Ohio, Indiana, Michigan. Indiana's dry for now. Illinois is pretty, nothing going on there. Iowa, we do have some rain showers over Des Moines here, and a little bit heavier rain to the southwest. Creston is the closest town to that. Then I want to focus on these here. This is a line of thunderstorms here in Nebraska, stretching from McCook, Kearney, Grand Island, Columbus. This is the most current radar I have right now, but it should automatically refresh. So it's about 7 minutes old. This image was taken at 10:30, so it's moved a little bit. It's probably over Columbus by now. And go ahead and animate this, get an idea of the direction it's going. It's heading west to east, so you could kind of follow the image across the map and get a general trajectory of the storm. And yeah, it's definitely going to hit Grand Island, Hastings. And so what I'll do is I'll click on this and it will show the alerts in the area. 2 alerts here. We've got a special weather statement and a severe thunderstorm watch. Let's go ahead and click on the show details, and you can see this alert says wind gust up to 50 miles an hour and pea-sized hail. And basically the safety information for this is, if outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Let's click on another alert. We've got severe thunderstorm warning here near Fremont, Nebraska. Sioux City doesn't have any alerts right now. Let's head to the south of this storm. Yes, a severe thunderstorm warning in the yellow boxes right now. I don't currently see any tornado watches, but we'll keep an eye on that. By quickly clicking through just to make sure. These are basic severe thunderstorm watches in the red boxes, including Omaha and Lincoln, all the way down into the southern part here of Nebraska. This is quite intense, so let's go ahead and look at that box. Winds of 50 to 55 miles an hour, and seek shelter if you're near this storm. which currently it is just northeast of McCook in Red Willow County, Nebraska. We're gonna click off the go ahead and reset the map here. I'll zoom in back in on that radar image, and here you can see the intense reflectivity on that. See those right here in the center of the map. See that how it turns from red to kind of like a whitish color? That's intense precipitation right in those locations. Now, one thing that this map is missing is lightning strikes, and I just realized that. But we can look back at it in windy. I like the resolution of this radar though, better than windy's. So here, South Dakota, we have some storms also. And that line of storm stretches all the way across from north central South Dakota, even a little bit into southern North Dakota, all the way down through central South Dakota and over into Minnesota. So you can see that this storm is kind of headed, yeah, it's heading west to east also, but it looks like it's also kind of rotating here. If you kind of watch this eastern end of the system, you can see it's kind of rotating around itself a little bit. And that means that this southern part here, this tip of storms is going to move up towards Minneapolis, maybe just brush Minneapolis a little bit. Bring some light rain showers. Some of this may also get over to southern Minneapolis and even down into Iowa a little bit. There's also a pretty intense storm right up here just past the border in Canada, headed towards Thunder Bay, Ontario here. See that intense thunderstorm there. Then most of the rest of northern Minnesota has rain showers, and it looks like there may be even a thunderstorm right here also. So weakening a little bit. But this is bringing light rain across northern Minnesota. North Dakota, we've got rain showers. In the eastern part, this is also part of this system of thunderstorms. So this could have occasional lightning in it, probably. Light rain across southern North Dakota. Montana, out here in the west in the mountains, we've got some, looks like thunderstorms here also. We're heading towards Helena. Great Falls, no precipitation right now. Idaho, Got some thunderstorms here near Idaho Falls, and then across into Wyoming. Thunderstorms and light rain. Southern Wyoming also we got just west of Evanston, Wyoming. Few rain showers. Utah, scattered light rain showers. Arizona, to the north, just northwest of Flagstaff, got a rain shower, a few pop-ups. Grand Canyon, also got a rain shower. Phoenix is dry. Tucson is dry right now. So is my voice. I'm gonna get a drink here. Give me a second. All right, let's see here. New Mexico. Got some rain showers in the southwest part of New Mexico. Albuquerque looks pretty dry. Santa Fe has a rain shower. Got some thunderstorms moving through northern Texas and the panhandle here of Oklahoma. And this looks like it possibly could bring some thunderstorms. We could click on this and check the weather warnings and watches. Yeah. Special weather statement. Wind gusts of up to 50 to 50 miles an hour. Turn off the weather on the alerts real quick. Got some rain showers here near Pueblo. This one's that half-inch hail associated with that little storm there. Surprisingly, these little storms don't have anything with them yet, but it does look like we have some other alerts across Oklahoma and northern Texas. Go ahead and check those out. Heat advisory. That makes sense. With this storm down here, a couple alerts with that too. Marine warning and a special weather statement. This one has gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Just south of Gainesville and headed inland, it looks like. Bringing waves. That's what these yellow kind of non-polygons are, irregular shapes. I've got kind of curved edges along the coast here. So if you're in any kind of marine, if you're on the water right now, you got heavy wave action there. All right, I'm going to switch over to windy and we'll look at the temperature. Just give me a moment. Go ahead and look at the temperature across the United States. I'll start up in Maine, work my way south, and then into the Midwest and Plains. So Maine, Augusta, we got 66. Concord, New Hampshire, 66. Montpelier, Vermont, 62, Boston, Massachusetts, 66, Providence, 66, Hartford, 68, New York City, 61, Albany, 70, Ithaca, New York, 64, Rochester, New York, 70 degrees, Buffalo, 73, Dunkirk, 71, Olean, 62, Pennsylvania, Scranton, 64, Allentown, 71, Harrisburg, 71, Williamsport, 68, Pittsburgh, 68, New Jersey, Trenton, 71, Atlantic City, 71, Delaware, Dover's, 73, Annapolis, 75, Washington, D.C., 79, Baltimore, 73, Virginia, Exmoor, 77, Richmond, 75, Virginia Beach, 77, Lynchburg, 73, North Carolina, Greensboro, 71, Asheville, 64, Raleigh, 73, Fayetteville, 75, Jacksonville, 75, Elizabeth City, 73, South Carolina, Florence, 77, Columbia, 82 degrees, Charleston, 82, Georgia, Atlanta's, 77, Macon's, 80 degrees, Jessup's, 82 degrees Fahrenheit, Brunswick's, 80, Florida, Pensacola, 86, Panama City, 84, Tallahassee, 77, Jacksonville, 80, Gainesville, 80, Palm Coast, 80 degrees, Orlando, 79, West Palm Beach, 84, Miami, 84, Cape Coral, 82, Tampa's, 82, Alabama, Montgomery's, 80 degrees, Huntsville, 79, Tennessee, Nashville, 77, Memphis is 84, Knoxville, 71, Johnson City, 68, West Virginia, Charleston, 71, Clarksburg, 68, Ohio, Columbus is 73, Mansfield, 71, Cleveland, 80, Ashtabula, 75, Toledo, 77, Cincinnati, 77, Kentucky, Frankfort, 75, Somerset, 73, Bowling Green, 75, Evansville, 77, Indianapolis, 77, Bloomington, 73, Muncie, 73, Fort Wayne, 75, South Bend, 71, Michigan, Lansing is 77, Detroit, 77, Ann Arbor, 79 degrees, Grand Rapids, 73, Cadillac, 71, Traverse City, 75 degrees, UP, Newberry, 70 degrees, Houghton, 73 degrees, Iron River, 70 degrees, Wisconsin, Green Bay, 77, Sheboygan, 71, Milwaukee 79, Kenosha 75, Madison 73, Eau Claire 79 degrees, Ladysmith 75, Ashland 80 degrees, Duluth 79 degrees, Chicago, Illinois 80 degrees, Peoria 75 degrees, Springfield 75, Centralia 75, Carbondale 77. Go ahead, go back up to Minnesota. International Falls 71, Hibbing 75, Brainerd 77 degrees, St. Cloud 79, Marshall 75, St. Paul 80 degrees, Rochester 75, Worthington 73, Des Moines, Iowa 80 degrees, Cedar Rapids 75, Fort Dodge 77, Missouri, Jefferson City 79 degrees, up to the north, St. Joseph 77, Kirksville 79, Springfield is 80 degrees, Branson's 79, Arkansas, Fayetteville 79 degrees, Jonesboro 82 degrees, Little Rock 84, Sheridan 82 degrees, Mississippi. Wait, did I don't know if I got Alabama yet. Alabama, Montgomery's 80 degrees, Huntsville 79, Mississippi, Tupelo 84, Greenwood 82, Jackson 88, Meridian 80 degrees, New Orleans 89 degrees, Louisiana, Alexandria 86, Shreveport 70 or 89. Wow, but they wish it was 79. Let's see here. Texas, Houston's 88, Abilene's 91, Amarillo 95, Fort Stockton 91, Kansas, Topeka's 80 degrees, Salina 86, Wichita 88, Hayes 88, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska 77 degrees, Grand Island 82, Sioux City 75, Scotts Bluff 86, South Dakota Pierce 73, Sioux Falls 75, Rapid City 71, Aberdeen 71, North Dakota Bismarck 77, Fargo 77, Minot 79, Williston 75, Dickinson 73 degrees, Montana Kalispell 80 degrees, Missoula 84, Helena 82, Bozeman 79, Billings 88, Miles City 79, Great Falls 88, Havre 84, Wyoming, Cheyenne 75. Rock Springs, 82. Sheridan, Wyoming, 82. Gillette, 71. Colorado, Denver's 88. Pueblo, 82. Trinidad, 77. Alamosa, 77. Aspen's, 62. Grand Junction, 89. New Mexico, Albuquerque's 91. Santa Fe's 79. Farmington, 88. Gallup's 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Las Cruces, 100 degrees. Carlsbad, 97. Clovis, 93. Arizona, Phoenix is 109. Tucson, 102. Flagstaff, 71. Page, 95. Utah, Salt Lake City's 88. Price is 82. Delta's 91. Idaho Falls is 86. Twin Falls is 91. Boise is 91 degrees Fahrenheit. McCall, 75. Nevada, Las Vegas is at a whopping 107 degrees. No thanks. Tonopah, 89. Carson City, 80. Elko, 91. Ely, 84 degrees. Let's see, California, Redding is 98. Eureka on the coast is 59. Sacramento's 89. San Jose, 75. Merced's 98. Bakersfield's 102. Los Angeles, 79. Indio is 107. Lake Havasu City, they're right on the state line. 107. Oregon. Eugene is 79. Salem is 79. Seattle 73. Vancouver, we'll go ahead and head right into Alaska and Hawaii and the coast here. Vancouver 66. Victoria is 64. Port Hardy's 61. Let's see, Anchorage got 68 in Anchorage. Prudhoe Bay, 39 there, northern Alaska. Go ahead and look at Hawaii. Volcanoes 73. Honolulu 82. Pearl Harbor at 83. Japan. Actually look at the precipitation there. We can look at that real quick in a second. Tokyo's 93. Osaka's 93. Sendai is 80. Aomori is 75. Sapporo is 73. Philippines, Manila's 84. Cebu City's 80. Palawan is 84 there. Go ahead and hop over to Europe real quick. Then I quickly do. I know I'm over time. That's all right. I don't mind. Taking my time tonight anyway. London is 66. And go ahead and zoom in until we can see Bradford. 53 there in Bradford. Glasgow's 49, 48. Dundee's 48. Inverness 48. Kirkwall, the islands here. 52 degrees. Let's see the rest of Europe. Germany got in the 60s. France 60s, mid 70s. Spain, central Spain's in the 70s to 80s. Italy, got some heat there in the northern Italy, 70s to 80s. And let's see, go ahead and zoom in on Rome. Rome is 82. Let's zoom in on Kuwait, and Kuwait City's 93. Baghdad, they've got 93. They're in the Middle East. I don't do the Middle East very often. Jerusalem's got 70 degrees. Don't really do Africa either too much. Cairo, 79. I'm not going to be able to pronounce a lot of these names, so you'll just have to bear with me. Algeria, got, of course, in the Sahara, it's hot. We expect. It's like saying Greenland is cold. Canada, quickly run through Canada. Newfoundland. Let's see, we got 59 in Corner Brook, Nova Scotia. Halifax is 66. New Brunswick, Fredericton, 62. Quebec, 62. Ottawa is 70. Toronto is 73. Sudbury is 71. Wawa is 61. Thunder Bay is 71. Kenora is 75. Winnipeg is 75. Swift Current 79. Prince Albert 70. Let's see here. Edmonton in Alberta, 70 degrees. Calgary is 77. BC, Kelowna is 86. Vancouver is 66. I think we already went through a lot of those temps. Excuse me, I bumped the mic there. Oh yeah, quickly look at our hurricanes here. Genevieve is just at 70 miles an hour. Has been weakened down to a tropical storm. By Tuesday, it'll have dissipated. We only have these two on the map currently. Typhoon Dolphin, Cat 4 currently, and is tracking towards kind of towards Taiwan, central China here. Just extend that line out a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off. And I'll end up at our favorite place. Oh, wait. I gotta look at Greenland first real quick to see the cold temp. of the evening. Usually it's right around here in central Greenland. I see 2 degrees Fahrenheit, 3. Yeah, goes from one end to the other. All right, let's end up at our favorite spot. 10 minutes over time, that's okay. Toowoomba, 61. And that concludes, unless anybody has any specific request, I think I've covered pretty much every region of the world except for Antarctica. So, yeah, Toowoomba 61. Thank you, everyone, and have a great evening. Thank you for watching.